There's this chopper keep flying the last hour, just flying around here. Not sure what they're looking for. I think it's a police chopper. Just flying in circles. There's a neighborhood where it's flying around. It's called Frogtown. You can see we have a football field over here. Kids running. It's practice time. I'm not sure what the chopper is doing. It's Frogtown neighborhood in St. Paul, Minnesota. Chopper flying low and slow. If you're in St. Paul and you know why it's flying low and slow, let me know. Leave a comment. But it's called Frogtown Community Center right there. I'm gonna zoom. You can see them kids running. It's football practice time. Evening. Raining a little bit. You can call it drizzling. Those are the streets, Marion and Thomas. Intersection over here. These are the projects. Those apartments right there. Those are our projects. Take it easy, take care of yourself, subscribe, support the work. Let's get to 20,000 subscribers. We'll see you on the next video. Coming to you from Frogtown Community Neighborhood, St. Paul, Minnesota. Peace out.